All right, this is Kevin with Naples Lawn Service, and today we're going to show you how to change out your air filters on your John Deere Gator. So today we're going to be changing the air filter on this John Deere Gator. This is a 2020 XUV 590M, but it may go ahead and be the same on other models. But for today, it's XUV 590M 2020 John Deere Gator. Okay, so what you're going to need for this project is the one white air filter. And by the way, this is the same one John Deere uses in all their commercial zero turns. It's the same one. And here's your part number, B1AF204. And that's a John Deere part. You can also get it through Sunbelt, which John Deere owns Sunbelt, maybe a little cheaper. Or you can find them anywhere, I guess. But I get mine through John Deere. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do, you got to pull off the back of this seat here so you can get to all your little straps. So this seat's going to pull up and off. All right, first thing we're going to do is grab this bottom corner, just pull out and up. And there you go. You see, it just hooks on right here, here, and on top of there. But that's got to come off so you can get to these straps down there. You're going to pull off all of these straps. Here's 1, 2, 3. And the fourth one down here, and then you got more back here. So the next thing you're going to do is raise this bed up. Okay, like that, and you can get to your other ones. And you got 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. Okay, once you got all your straps off, you're going to lift this whole cover up, just like that. And that's how you're going to get to your air filter. Okay, here's how you get your air filter, and you're just going to pop it out of there. You can see this is really bad. We just got out of a drought, so it's been dusty and it's nasty. Now you can see a difference between the old one and the new one, and that's why we're changing it out. I don't have a set number of hours on when to change these out. I just go by my conditions. Am I dusty and am I dry? Has it been in storage? Is it rainy season? Whatever. So then. And by the way, this is the same filter that goes in all my zero turns. All my commercial zero turns is the identical filter. So if you have zero turns and or Gator, you can keep a couple in stock because it's going to be the same exact one. And as you can see, you can check out my video on my commercial zero turn air filter change outs. They're open on one end and they're closed on the other. Okay, now before you throw a filter in there, you're going to wipe this out with a wet rag. Okay, I wiped it out with a wet rag. Now you're just going to put this on there. This is going to fit right over this little round part right here. It's going to go down and in. Just shove it in there good till it's good. And that's how you replace it. Okay, now you're going to just put your cover back on. Make sure everything lines up the way it should. And get that lined up right, and then just start putting on your straps. Okay, now you can put your seat back on. These little lips that stick up, you're just going to hang it up there. Then you're going to pop in. So these holes go over these grommets. Okay, pop it in. You're done. Now you just go ahead and let your bed back down. And there you go. So there you have it. That's how you change your air filters out on your Gator. If you want to subscribe, we're going to have a lot more videos coming out on all sorts of maintenance stuff for your Gator and lawnmowers and everything else, trucks, trailers. And if you like it, hit the like button. This is Kevin with Naples Lawn Service.